Good morning! Magandang umaga! Gusto na mga lolo, lola, nanay, tatay, kapatid at kaibigan. So, lolo at lola, nandito sa, what is this?
Diamond Hill.
Diamond Hill. Unexpectedly, may lakad kami. Hindi planado, pero it happened. So, let's enjoy the day. So we're now here at Lamtin, and as usual, new place, new experience, at naligaw kami. So hanapin natin kung saan tayo pwedeng dumaan. So mainit ang panahon. Oh, over there. The beach. It's a very good practice for lolo and lola. It's a cardio exercise. Kasama na yung ligaw over there. Tanggal mo yung mask mo, mas nahirapan kami nga. Pagod na lola. Mingal. So nakakit na kami. It's almost 10 minutes walk from the MTR Lamtin MTR exit B1. So nadaanan namin yung there. Sinfat Road Tennis Court. So papasok kami sa Sai Chowan Recreation Ground dito sa Lamtin. Oh, ganda dito oh. See? Hindi, ito na. Huh? Ito na yung road. Ito na, oh. Pinasukan natin something. So, we're here. Lakad pa tayo. Can you see? Mainit kasi yung araw. So, you can't see the full view properly. So, tara. Lakad pa more. Ganda ng view. Maybe you're just wondering why we're here. It's the call of Lolo and Lola's duty to watch and see our grandson playing the baseball. So we'll just support and be here. Sai Chowan Recreation Ground. So this is just a practice of pitching.
Hawakan mo lang eh.
So dito yung pitching practice nila. Doon yung mga bata. Lola Miray, magsiswing tayo saglit habang naglalaro ang mga bata. Ang Lola Miray mag-e-enjoy, magsiswing.